Right, so here's FX replay. So right now, honestly, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, but we shall find out after I set my key levels. So setting your key levels, you must look at points where the markets have been reversing from. So for example, here as well, let's look at points where the markets have been reversing from. So right now, those are our key levels. Not only those, there's many points here, here. They're everywhere. They're literally everywhere. So when I say I have that habit of setting random key levels, I mean this. I just look at the market, set this. So this is here and here, then here as well. Hold on. Here as well. Then there is this. There's no problem with having many key levels, man. There is that. There is also this one. There is this one. There is nothing wrong with having many key levels. And there's also this one here. So currently you don't know what to do, but you just know that the market has respected those levels. So the ones that are up is where you're supposed to sell from. The ones that are down is where you're supposed to buy from. So now we are going to look for a reaction in one of those levels. So I'm just going to play the chart. I know FX Replay is not an app, it's a website. So yeah, basically you're like practicing, You can also sell from here, because if you're going to lower time frame, you can see there's something like a descending channel, something like that. Something a little bit like that. So yeah, we already got our confirmation, because if you're going to lower time frame, let's go 30, 15, we can see. So the market has been moving in this kind of pattern. Let me show you. So like in an uptrend, something like that, but then all of a sudden it has now changed the character. So what change of character is basically this. So an uptrend looks like this. That's what an uptrend looks like. But now, how do you know if the uptrend is no longer an uptrend? Now it's reversing. Basically, how you know it's through this, let me show you. Like, it does something like this, breaks this level. You see this level right here, this level. Hold on. This level, the market broke past this level over here. And what keeps an uptrend, what considers an uptrend, is break of structure. So break of structure is this. So you see how the market came here, then reverse, then the next move broke past this previous level. That's a break of structure. So it confirms the uptrend. So yeah, but then here, instead of it breaking structure at this level here, instead of it coming back and break structure of this level, it failed to do that. It went and changed character. So now this is now a downtrend. So yeah, it changed character over here, then made a retracement, and now it's on a descending channel. Then this is a break of structure. So yeah, that's basically what the market did over here. Because right here you're not seeing it. So if you go to 1 minute time frame, you'll see it. You see how it works. Right here, came here, boom. So here is where it failed to break structure from. Then here's where it changed character, then came back up, then now it's heading down. So this is a downtrend. You should look for sales in this. And also, when I say market psychology, you must look for reactions. So the fact that you got this reaction at this level, this specific level, it shows that that's now a reversal. If it happened over here, you should feel suspicious. Don't take the trade. You must consider it if it's at a key level. So our key level is this, because the market has been descending. So trade, I feel like better entry would have been somewhere there. Go back to 1 minute time frame. And also, people have hard time deciding what time frame to look for confirmation. Trust me, bro, the feel just comes in. Like, you're supposed to like check the mark. Okay, like just keep looking until you find beta candlestick patterns. Like beta candlesticks, like yeah. So if you go on a 15 minute time frame, the candlesticks don't really look good enough for me. Then I go to a higher time frame, 1 hour time frame, then boom, we can see there was a good rejection right here, that candlestick. So I'm like, so I see that candlestick now. Like, to confirm it, I go to a lower time frame, and you can see it was just going straight down. It has never done that before. So yeah, this trade is going to head down. Let's play it. Also, it's going to go way lower because this market keeps breaking structure. So it's going to go lower. See that? Let me put this on 4 hours. There you go. Dang. This was crazy, man. So this has to be news. But that's the thing about trading. You could do everything perfect and you still end up wrong. And just because it failed doesn't mean you should throw away your strategy on the side. Because this strategy has worked for a couple of people. The same people there's people who applied this exact strategy at this level here, and they hit take profit, and then they are cashing out already. Let's put apply the same strategy over here and it hit take profit. So just because it failed, that doesn't mean you should dump the strategy. No, not everything is 100%. Strategies just increase your win rate. They increase your win rate. They don't give you guaranteed success. They give you a higher win rate. And also strategies help you understand and know what to do at certain circumstances, like what position as a market put you in. And yeah, trading is all about knowing what to do. That's all you have to know, what to do. Let's now wait for you to reach one of these levels, either this or that, and you see what you have to do. Resting is taking long, man. Like we said, if it's in one of these levels, we sell. If it's in one of these levels, we buy. Wow. Alright, we're getting there. You can see we've got kind of a reaction. We've got a reaction at this level. But the key level we had marked for here was a while back. So the most recent ones are ones which are most likely getting respected. So which is this, and then this over here. So now we're going to wait for the market to reach around here, because at this level here we did not get a reaction. At this level here we didn't get a reaction, so this isn't considered. It's now wait for you to reach either here or the one above. What you're looking for is a reaction, then you can look for sales. Alright, so no reaction, but yo, that candlestick, man, that has to be news. But let's keep playing. Dang. Alright, so over here we saw the respected level. Up here, that was the peak. Yeah, this candlestick, I mean, this market is going to head up. It's going to head up well. But let's see, if you get a reaction over there, then could be a sell. Alright, so this is a breakout. That's a full-on breakout, man. That's a full-on breakout. So here's where now apply the strategy of break and retest. Whoa. Like I said, have the habits of marking your key levels. One thing I know about gold is gold don't come back all the way here down. It won't come here down. It's gonna stop like around halfway, like somewhere there. Then it's just going to skyrocket. It's why me when I'm trading gold, I barely wait for retracement, man. I just risk it. Let's see how it goes. Like I say, bro, no retracement in gold, man. So let's go to a lower time frame, because we were on the 1 hour earlier, so you can see something like this. As you can see, this level has been respected. Even you had a breakouts up there. So like I said, man, gold barely has retracements, man. But yo, we got a good retracement. This kind of retracement. So good entry would have been around there. But I wouldn't really consider down, because what this was a retracement also for this downtrend. So boom, crashed all the way up, came back down, then give us a rejection. So yeah, your perfect entry would have been up there. Then stop loss below that week, TP around there, and that's a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Open the trade, make your stash. Look at that. Come on. There we go. This was a very nice trade. I feel like it's gonna go higher, because I remember gold hit 4,000, by the way. So this is gonna go way higher, man. So let me move the stop loss a little bit lower. This is gonna go higher. And just enter here.